Hello friends, welcome to my learning channel. Today I am going to make bread and eggy sandwich. Okay, this is very good snacks for kids, and my 3 years daughter also likes this. So what we need for this, 2 medium sized brown bread, and I have cut it in a 2 pieces, 1 to 2 pieces like this. This is one triangle piece. Okay, now what we need, 2 large egg, full egg. We need 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and black pepper powder. Now what we are doing next is we use this egg, 2 full egg. I just broke them. Okay, now add 1 tablespoon, a small, not 1 tablespoon, a quarter tablespoon of salt. Next is 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and next little bit of black pepper as per taste. Okay, now what we have to do, I just mix it well, stir it well with spoon. Mix all my ingredients well enough. Okay, turmeric must be mixed smoothly. Okay, now I just mix it, stir it. You can see. Okay, so my mixture is ready, and now I'm going to put on the gas. Okay, I have taken one frying pan and I put on the gas, always in a medium flame. Now I am adding some butter. Butter is very good, butter is very good for kids' health. Butter, ghee, all is very good for health. Now what I have to do, I just adding butters into my frying pan. If you need more, then you can just add some more butters. Okay, so around 2 tablespoon butter is good. Now I am adding 2 tablespoon of butter into the kadai. You can see that butter is melting. Okay, butter is melting slowly. So I'll just stir my frying pan well enough and spread it all over the frying pan so that my sandwich is not stick. Okay, so butter is melting. Then what we have done, I just put the sandwich piece into the mixture which we have already prepared, egg mixture. I dip it into that mixture, and you can see I just mix with butter and egg well from the both side. Now I put it into the kadai. Likewise, all the pieces are in the same way. Okay, I mix it and now put it into the kadai. You can see. Okay, the other side for cook well, slightly brownish. You can see. So this part is complete. Now another sandwich piece I like to flay for cooking. Now next piece, and likewise the same. Okay, now I just want to put it for 10 to 20 seconds, then it is just ready to serve. Okay, now you can see that my flame is very low. Okay, low flame. So you can see that my sandwich is ready. Okay, so this is a sandwich which is very good for health. Okay, and this is very yummy pokey evening snack, and my little girl also like this sandwich very much for snack as a snack. So friends, this is our eggy sandwich is ready to serve. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and encourage us for making new videos. Thank you.